All right, what's up everybody? So I was just trying to take the power steering reservoir off, and I was just trying to do that. It's just a long process. I can't get the main hose off. I got the little hose off, but the issue is the Dorman reservoir, it's too big. So looking at the hoses, they're not going to fit over these ends from this reservoir. So I'm pretty much skunked right now. So I'm gonna go the redneck route. I'm going to drive to the hardware store, get some Flex Seal, dry this off, and then seal the bottom and see if that'll work. All right, I'll be right back. All right, what's up everybody? So I picked up some white spray-on Flex Seal, and before I put this on, I'm doing some metal prep, and I'm using some Pour 15 cleaner degreaser to get all the grease and stuff off of this thing. I pretty much effectively drained all the left power steering fluid out, and then I have a metal prep by Pour 15. I'm gonna metal prep the rust, and then hopefully the spray will stick. So that's the goal. All right, I'm gonna get the metal prep and put that on here. So the goal with the metal prep is just to try and clean the rust and make a surface that is kind of etched and clean enough. Hopefully it'll stick for this temporary fix. All right, here goes nothing. Hopefully this works. All right everybody, there it is. It's fully coated with white Flex Seal. I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna fill the reservoir back up with power steering fluid, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, not the outcome I wanted, but hopefully this little fix will be temporary enough so I can get the correct part and we can get this replaced. All right. All right, everybody. So that is it for the power steering reservoir. I don't know if it's gonna hold. To be honest, my fingers are crossed. So I'm going back inside the house to eat some dinner. We're supposed to leave tomorrow morning, and I am basically hoping that by tomorrow midday I'll be able to fill it up, and then as long as it works 90% and the leak is greatly reduced, I'm just gonna get a big thing of power steering fluid and just keep refilling it until we can get the new part. Sorry, which will probably be like in 3 weeks, hopefully, or 4 weeks. All right, so thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below and tell me if you think it's going to work or not. And then yeah, I'll let you know. I'll do an update maybe after this weekend or in a few weeks and see if it's holding up. All right, If you haven't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and check out our links down below for some cool merchandise in our Teespring store. If you make a purchase, some of those bucks from the t-shirt go to our pockets, and then yeah, we make some videos. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.